How have you learned some of the new, the new skills that you have to learn?
I think from your colleagues for sure. As you're going through, and I think being coming from inside sales into outside sales is such a good experience to have, because when you go into the field, you know what your inside person is having to deal with, which is a
Yeah.
lot. And you want to be able to help them as much as you can. So get them as much information as you can, because there's these things that they have to face on a daily basis that if you've never done that job, you don't know how
Yeah.
hard it is. So I think having a respect for that position helpful for me. And then learning to work with the channel and how important your distribution partners are in selling your product lines. And
Yeah.
that is such a key thing to know how to navigate through that as well, because they're the ones that are holding stock. They've got salespeople on the ground too, and
Yeah.
partnering with them is really important to all of us at our company. So that's something we really, really focus on too.
Yeah.
And then with the new lines, you get product trainings, and you learn them, and and then you kind of get specialized with your accounts with that certain type of product. So it's a slow process. It does take a lot of time, but
You turn
that's
into the
good.
expert. No, that's good. That's good.
If you like Mind Innovation, don't forget to subscribe, rate, and share the show wherever you get your podcast. You can follow Sannah Vinding and Mind Innovation on Instagram, LinkedIn, and YouTube. And make sure to check out mindinnovation.com. Stay curious and keep learning. See you next time.